Hello guys, welcome to our channel Magic Curing. Today we are going to unbox and assemble this mini sticker book of Kuromi Cinnamoroll. We are going to do some improvements and not just putting the stickers to the sticker book. I am planning to make this as a quiet storybook for Kuromi Cinnamoroll. Come on, let's try and see what will going to be the result. Oh, this is really frustrating. None of the stickers are suits the body of Kuromi Cinnamoroll. I can say that this sticker book is really bad. But I missed to advise you that it has 4 sets of sticker books. I think their appropriate dresses and accessories are inside within these packs. See you on our next video and hoping this will make a greater result.